Let's make a beef Wellington. April Fools, we're not making that right now. But if this video gets 150 likes, then I will make a beef Wellington. But right now, let's make mozzarella cheese sticks. Open up 10 packets of string cheese. And then put them on the table. Put a cup of flour in a bowl and 2 eggs in another bowl. And guys, just look, I'm cracking those eggs with one hand. So impressive, am I right? But anyways, whisk the eggs up and then get yourself a bowl of breadcrumbs. Dip the cheese sticks in flour, egg mixture, and then breadcrumbs. Do all of them until they look like this. Freeze for 30 minutes. Get yourself a pan, put some hot oil on it, and then cook on all 4 sides. When you've cooked on all 4 sides and they're golden brown, put them on a plate. And enjoy. See you guys in the next one.